Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Samsung Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Samsung Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Here on this page, you can see sign in now button, click on it. Now it will lead you to a new tab. Here you have to type in your email address and your password, so type in your email. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and reset it. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on register and create a new account. Now click on login, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Samsung Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.